This book is a great story about why it's important to make sure you clean. Yes, it's fun to play around, but it's very important that you keep your space clean and safe. Welcome back. This is Miss Medlock, and I have a new story for us to read today. Yeah. Let's get to it. The title of this story is Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess. The author of this book is Anna Dewdney. Anna is the one who wrote the words. Oh, down here it says by Anna Dewdney and Reed Duncan. So Reed and Anna are the authors, and the authors are the ones who write the words. And it says illustrated by J.T. Morrow. J.T. is the illustrator. The illustrator is the one who draws all the pictures. Llama Llama in his room, cars and trucks go honk and zoom, racing under sheets and chairs. Mama Llama calls upstairs. Oh, look at his room. Looks like a mess. Got the jump rope on the floor, the blanket falling off the bed. But I know he's having fun. Time to pick up all your toys. Why is Mama making noise? Mama says it's cleaning day. Llama only wants to play. Mama says to make the bed. Llama Llama shakes his head. We all have a job to do, even little llamas too. What if Mama never cleaned? Imagine that. What would that mean? If Mama didn't dust or mop, she'd toss the rags and off she'd hop. She'd take the clothes all clean to wear and throw them up into the air. No doing laundry anymore. Just drop the towels upon the floor. She'd pull the sheets right off the beds and wear the blankets on her head. Look at Llama Llama. He looks shocked. He's like, oh my goodness, she's never acted like this before. She'd leave the pots and pans and plates and dance around on roller skates. Then zoom into the living room to make a fort with mops and brooms. She'd have herself some crunchy snacks and throw the bags behind her back. Crumbs and clothes and peanut shells? What's this thing? What's that smell? Messy counters, dirty drawers. Ugh. Where is Mama? Where's the floor? Everything's in disarray. Llama has no place to play. Clutter, chaos, and distress. No more llama mess, mess, mess. So he's fed up. He said, this is bad. I can't live like this anymore. Grown up llamas clean, that's true, but little ones can pick up too. Llama Llama nods his head. Maybe we should clean instead? Llama Llama picks up blocks, puts them all into his box. Books go back up on the shelf. Llama puts them there himself. Are there things beneath the bed? Check and see. Lift up the spread. Look what Llama Llama's got. Each thing has its special spot. Llama pulls the sheets up tight. Mama tucks the quilt just right. Lots of space to play with Mama. Guess who's proud of Llama Llama? The end. Wow, what a great story. I love that book. All right, if you loved this story, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye.